Tree Trimming Bruce. At LiRo Tree Services, we specialize in professional tree care services in Bruce, ensuring the health, safety, and beauty of your property. Our certified arborists are highly trained to handle all aspects of tree maintenance, from tree trimming and pruning to diagnosing tree health issues. For tree removal, our team offers safe and efficient services, especially for large or damaged trees that may pose a risk. We also provide stump grinding and removal to ensure your property remains clear and safe after tree removal. Our goal is to deliver high-quality tree care, removal, and stump grinding services that meet the highest standards of safety and professionalism. Whether you need routine maintenance, emergency tree removal, or stump grinding, LiRo Tree Services is here to help. Contact us today for a free quote and let our experts take care of all your tree service needs in Bruce.